In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the template with the Facebook plugin. The share code below this video has a page in it called minisite, and there's either going to be a 3 or 4, depending on how many video pics you want. But it's going to say FB Yes, which stands for Facebook Yes. That means it has the Facebook plugin. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy that page. Once you've uploaded that share code, you're going to have this page in your website section. So you're going to copy the one with the Facebook plugin if that's what you want to do. So now I've copied it. Let's just take a look at it really quick. And you'll notice that there is a Facebook feed here, and there's actually a comment from myself. Now, you don't want my comment, you don't want other people's comments that aren't a part of your particular mini site. So you want to make sure that you customize that Facebook plugin. And that is really super simple to do. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Edit Text, click on Source, and now you're going to do a search for FB as in Facebook. So Control F on your keypad as in Frank. And there is the top FB, and you're going to click your down arrow on your search and find the second one down, and there it is right here. You'll notice it says FB-comments, and if you look over here just a little bit, you're going to notice that you've got an HTTP inside of some quotes. So notice I'm now ready to replace that domain. All you're going to do is you're going to replace that URL here with one of your subdomains or one of your domains. It could be a subdomain from one of the pages of your mini site, which is probably going to be ideal. Now notice I have the quotes here, so I start to highlight the HTTP and I go all the way to the very next set of quotes that I see, and I'm going to paste everything in between those quotes. And again, what you're pasting is one of your domains or one of your subdomains, preferably from your mini site. Now you can use a different subdomain from each one of your pages of your mini site, but probably the best thing to do would just be to use the same one for all. If you want to use different ones, that's okay. You're just going to have different comments on each page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste that right in here. I've already copied one of my subdomains, and now that I've done that, I'm going to click Save. And now what you're going to notice is that comment from myself on my own post here should be gone. See that I'm using a different subdomain, so now I've got my own unique Facebook plugin. Now if you're curious about these plugins, they're just simply a way for people to add comments. There's no monitoring or anything like that. It's just a plugin where everybody can leave their comments and you can respond back. And you know, if there's ever anything you really don't like there, I guess your only solution would be to remove all the comments altogether by swapping whatever domain or subdomain that you want, just like I just showed you. Now it's important to remember that all of these changes I've talked about, changing the colors on your website, customizing your Facebook plugin, all these kind of things, you want to do this all on the first template that you're creating. That way, when you're making copies of your pages going on to mini site page number 2, number 3, number 4, you don't have to go back and do all of these changes on every single page. So you're going to save yourself some time by doing all of this stuff first. Let me show you one more little trick. I'm going to click on Edit, and assuming that you didn't want the text up here to be all on the same line, you can always just drop that down a line, just like this, and that way it's going to give you more room for that first line of text. If you had really long titles, you needed a little more room without it dropping down, and that looks really good. Now one final thing, suppose you had done a lot of work on your page and then you decided for whatever reason you don't want that Facebook plugin on your page anymore. Well, just go inside your editor, and all you're going to do is this Facebook feed is right below this. Even though you can't see it, just kind of drop your cursor down till you see that highlighted, and then just go up just a tiny bit so it's not highlighted, and then hit your delete key. Just to be safe, I'm going to pull that up, and that should be totally gone right now, and we'll take a look. All right, well, these videos should help you create an incredible mini site. You can create whatever you want. You can use this for a product launch. Get creative. Make some Camtasia videos. Put in your company videos. You know, make a couple of different versions of this. And this is something you can easily share with other team members as well. So hopefully these videos are going to give you some great ideas, and you should have a lot of fun putting some great things together.